Absolutely insane. I just wanted to show you what I have bought yesterday. I bought the Acai. This one is the chocolate and nuts. Of course, I got my favorite clean protein bars from Pamela. I bought her Chocolate Oat Bar. I'm so curious for this one. I think it's gonna be amazing. And then I had these vegan protein bars, and I'm so curious if I can do more protein bars. This one is amazing, and of course, Pam for now.
All the flowers in my garden never looked as bright
Are
as
doing
they.
illegal stuff.
Like a happy child
Walking over train rails.
I've
Check.
only seen butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Never ever thought I'd find something quite as right as this. Not even late at night, in my wildest dreams. And I can feel the road changing around me. I just wish they also feel all this energy. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need. The only thing I need. The only thing I need. Look at my eyes, what do you see? You're the only thing I need.
There's my acai bowl, chocolate version with granola, baked peanut butter, blueberries, raspberries. Delicious. Hey guys, it just rained and now the sun is out, so let's do a little walk in her garden. Like, I am in love with her plants and stuff, so let me just show you some things. Of course, let's not forget about the trampoline. In de regen, op het spoor. Oh yeah! Absolutely insane. These flowers are so place I really want to be. Let's see.
3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to him. Feeling insecure, feeling like there's more to your case. character. Every tear that you cry is worth it in the end. But baby, tell me, how have you not figured it out? Ooh, dry your eyes. The world can always give you reasons to cry. Understand, you're stronger than you know. There's power in your bones. The flowers that you've grown were watered by your tears. You say you're growing old. One day you're gonna fold. Amazing how you go unbothered through the years. But if you just let go and fall into
Deze
the
planten
garden
zijn
that you
eigenlijk gewoon
grew,
huge. Kijk, dit is mijn hand.
you would finally know
Ja,
that
deze
you
planten
don't have
zijn
to be
echt huge.
somebody
Kijk, deze plant is gewoon groter dan ik. Lijkt echt veel groter dan ik, maar deze bladeren zijn ook echt net zo groot als mijn hoofd.
So you finally run, running far away from your history. But there's clouds over your head every time, and they keep following you with no clue of what to do. I can make them vanish if you let me shine. You like to put somebody else aside.